Breakfast here at Willa Jean on a weekday morning. The biscuits and gravy and a little scrambled egg on the side. Looks good. Sometimes you get a sausage gravy that's not a whole lot of sausage. That is hot and yummy and lots of sausage. You can taste a little bit of fennel in there as well, which always plays well with sausage. Sage in there as well. She asked if I wanted salt and pepper, and I said no. I'm going to take it as the chef delivered it. I want to taste what he or she put in the gravy. That's terrific. Look at all that sausage. I'm in sausage heaven here on a Tuesday morning. And the biscuits have a little crunch on the outside, but still soft and gooey and yummy on the inside.